Welcome back. If you want a drone that can travel farther, stay connected more reliably, and give you more freedom when capturing aerial footage, choosing the right long-range drone matters. But range isn't the only thing that counts. Camera performance, GPS positioning, stability, obstacle avoidance, battery life, and overall control all play a major role. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. So, let's start the countdown. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Lenovo SX1 Drone. Kicking off the top 5 is the Lenovo SX1 Drone, a foldable aerial photography drone designed for users who want a compact aircraft with a 2-camera setup. It features wide-angle dual cameras, Wi-Fi FPV, a foldable design, and a brushless motor, giving you a practical combination of portability and aerial imaging features. Review highlights. The SX1's main advantage is its compact foldable design. It's easier to carry than larger drones, while the 2-camera setup gives you more flexibility when capturing aerial footage. The brushless motor also helps provide smoother and more consistent flight performance compared with basic brushed motor drones. Pros: foldable design, dual cameras, wide-angle photography, Wi-Fi FPV, brushless motor, compact and portable, aerial photography focused. If you want more advanced positioning features and a stronger focus on stable flight, the next drone takes things a step further. Number 4. Lenovo Z906 Drone. Coming in at number 4 is the Lenovo Z906 GPS-enabled foldable drone designed for users who want longer-distance flight capabilities combined with more intelligent flight assistance. It features 8K camera capability, 5G GPS positioning, a brushless motor, foldable construction, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. Review highlights. GPS positioning is the biggest advantage here because it can help the drone maintain a more stable position and make flight control easier. The obstacle avoidance system adds another layer of assistance, while the foldable design makes the Z906 easier to transport between flying locations. Pros: GPS positioning, foldable design, brushless motor, obstacle avoidance, 8K camera capability, long-distance focused design, portable. The Z906 offers a useful combination of GPS and obstacle avoidance, but our next pick adds an even compact design with GPS and advanced flight features. Number 3. Lenovo A1R 3S GPS Drone. Taking the number 3 spot is the Lenovo A1R 3S GPS Drone, a compact foldable drone designed to combine portability with GPS-assisted flight. It features 8K camera capability, a brushless motor, laser obstacle avoidance, optical positioning, and a mini foldable design with 4K camera support. Review highlights. The A1R3S stands out because it packs several useful flight features into a relatively compact design. GPS and optical positioning can help provide greater stability, while obstacle avoidance gives the drone additional assistance when flying in more demanding environments. Its foldable construction also makes it convenient for travel and outdoor use. Pros: GPS positioning, brushless motor, laser obstacle avoidance, optical positioning, mini foldable design, 8K camera capability, 4K camera support. The A1R3S is a strong portable option, but the next Lenovo drone is specifically positioned around GPS flight and long-distance control. Number 2. Lenovo V198 Max GPS Drone. Our runner-up is the Lenovo V198 Max GPS Drone, a foldable GPS drone designed for users who want a combination of camera features, obstacle avoidance, and stable flight. It features 8K camera capability, 4K HD video, a brushless motor, laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, and a foldable quadcopter design. Review highlights. The V198 Max brings together several features that matter for longer flights. GPS positioning can help maintain a more stable flight path, while the brushless motor provides smoother and more responsive performance. The laser obstacle avoidance system is another useful feature for added flight assistance, especially when navigating around objects. Pros: GPS positioning, 8K camera capability, 4K HD video, brushless motor, laser obstacle avoidance, foldable design, long-distance focused features. The V198 Max is a feature-packed option, but there's one final drone that takes the #1 position by offering a strong balance of flight features, portability, and aerial photography capabilities. Number 1. Lenovo GT9 Drone. Taking the #1 spot is the Lenovo GT9, our pick for the best long-range drone in 2026. This foldable GPS quadcopter features dual cameras, a display-equipped setup, 2.4G Wi-Fi, optical flow positioning, and a powerful brushless motor. Review highlights. What makes the GT9 stand out is its balance of flight stability, GPS positioning, camera capabilities, obstacle avoidance, portability, and useful control features. GPS and optical flow positioning are designed to help the drone maintain a more stable position, while the brushless motor provides smooth and responsive flight performance. The foldable design also makes it easier to carry, and the dual camera system gives you additional flexibility when capturing aerial footage. Pros: GPS positioning, dual cameras, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, foldable design, display-equipped controller, 2.4G Wi-Fi, stable flight features. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best long-range drone in 2026. After comparing flight stability, GPS positioning, camera capabilities, obstacle avoidance, portability, and control features, and overall value, the Lenovo GT9 Drone earns our best overall recommendation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.